Houston Wheel Repair! Today we're going to powder coat these wheels gloss black. In most cases we offer same-day service and a free loaner car. Here at Houston Wheel Repair, if you dream it we can achieve it. Powder coating is a durable and attractive finishing process that can be applied to a variety of metal surfaces, including wheels. Powder coating wheel is a process that involves the application of a dry powder coating material to a clean and prepared wheel surface. This is the finished product. As you can see, it's a high gloss finish, but you can choose from a variety of colors. Powder coating provides several benefits for wheels, such as enhanced durability, corrosion resistance, and improved appearance. This helps to prevent the formation of rust, corrosion, and other forms of damage caused by exposure to harsh weather conditions and road debris. Powder coating is also highly customizable, allowing for a wide range of color and texture options to suit individual preferences. It is possible to choose from a variety of finishes, such as glossy, matte, metallic, and textured. This makes it easy to create a personalized look for your wheels.